Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, please hit that subscribe button. And today we're going to be unboxing the Asus VG27VH1B gaming monitor from Asus. I'm going to be going back and forth with the name because the name's kind of sus. It's kind of sus, like I said. So let's open this and see what's in the box. And I bought this on Amazon for $269.99. And the current monitor that I'm currently using is not even a gaming monitor. This is actually my first gaming monitor. The monitor that I'm currently using is like 60 hertz and it's like made for office, typing up resumes and shit. So everyone's telling me you're gonna see a huge difference because this monitor is actually 165 hertz 1080p with 1 ms response time. So from going from like 5 ms response time to 60 hertz to something like 1 ms to 165 hertz, well, 120 hertz on the console because that's the cap right now. And for me to achieve 120 hertz on the console, I believe I need HDMI 2.0, which is included in this monitor, so that's huge. And it's paperwork. Usually they come with screws and like Allen wrench for you to screw into like a mount or just the base. So that's good to always have. Power cord. I don't know if there's a brick or not, but we'll find out. Actually comes with an HDMI wire. That's pretty good. Never have too much of these. Now, how am I gonna open this without like having a mess and destroying stuff? I'm about to lay down, shimmy it out. Probably not a good idea to shimmy it out, but I'm gonna get back to you. But like I said, this thing comes with an earphone jack, and it swivels and tilts like most monitor does, gaming monitor these days. So you can always look forward to that. And there it is, one giant styrofoam. You know, currently people are buying monitors that are up like crazy right now. I tried to find a gaming monitor at Best Buy and it was sold out like crazy. So went on Amazon and this was actually available. I'll put the link to the description in the description below so you can actually check it out if you're actually looking for a gaming monitor as well. And this thing is curved too, which is sweet because I've never played in a curved monitor before. Am I gonna see guys around the corner? That don't make no sense, right? But I just had to say it. And here is the base. It's like a standard V-looking base, but I have a mount, so I'm probably gonna just take my old monitor off and mount my current monitor. So I won't be using this because I have my desk space is already small, so I'm trying to save space. There is the thing you attach the monitor to the base. What do you call this? The neck? Huh? I don't know what you call this, but I'm just gonna call it the neck from now on. Oh, and also has cable management. You run your cables through here, so that's pretty cool. Moment of truth. Okay, let's do that again. Moment of truth. You're ruining my moment of truth. Unboxing, styrofoam, paper. Oh, it's coming. It's coming. It's a tough bad boy, man. Like it says. Okay. Get the fuck off of my monitor. there it is. I don't want to get any fingerprints on this, but that's what it looks like. 27 inches of beauty. Like you see right there, you can see there's 165 hertz, 1 ms, FreeSync Premium, Shadow Boost, and extreme low motion blur. Tuf Gaming VG27VH1B. Alright, let's check out the back. Branding on the back right there. Under, you get one HDMI port, which is 2.0, power, the D-sub, audio in, and ear jack. I don't get the audio in why that's there, but oh well. And also the menu buttons right here, and a little joystick, which is different. So let me know what kind of monitor you guys game on. If you have this monitor, how is it treating you? And I'm gonna hook this up and I'm gonna do a little review and setup in the future. So subscribe for more of these videos. Don't forget to comment and like, and leave a comment below, and let me know what you think about this monitor or what monitor you're currently gaming on. Thanks for watching. This is Low Key Fanatic, and I'm out.